welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Stitch Fix box, and I know I had one before I went away on vacation, and we've been back for about a week and I'm slowly settling back in to home and everything else, and my kids are going to be going back to school in the next few days, and it's just about September. Probably by the time you see this box it will be September, because this box came on one of the very last days of September. So I'm just going to discuss very quickly how Stitch Fix works. Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix and how it works, please check out the link below in the comments. When you sign up using my link and you fill out your first profile and you're ready to get your first fix, you can get $50 off your first fix using that link. And I also get $50. And someone recently used my link, so thank you to that person, because I have $50 to shop my current box, which my current box is all about fall because we are heading to fall. So my stylist Jaryn asked me, what would you like to see? And I said I'd like some fall forward fashions, because I have more than enough for spring and summer and those seasons that I'd like to start slowly. Not really ready for fall yet, I will be honest. I'm ready to decorate, but I am not ready for the cooler temps, but my box is. So let's dig in and discuss. So the first thing that I saw when I opened my box is this envelope, and we're gonna get into that in a second. The other thing that I saw is this priority mail envelope. So my box, my fix, came through FedEx, was delivered through FedEx. Any returns goes back in this nifty little mailing envelope. And that mail, if you don't want certain items that are in this fix, or any fix for that matter. So that's the first thing that I've noted. The second, and I'm gonna put my reading glasses on because I am reading glasses age, and I'm not gonna fight it anymore when I'm trying to read what's in this envelope. So first thing you see is, oh, hello. And that paper, oh, hello, cards, and it has all the items and a personal note from your stylist. So I'm gonna read my note. It says, "Hi Janine, I'm over here celebrating that your last box was our first 5 for 5 hit. Happy dance. I'm so glad that all the items worked out, and especially happy to hear that you loved the Nike Polo tee. Even though it's not something you normally reach for, I'm your partner in style when it comes to getting out of your closet comfort zone a bit. And I'm hoping the trendy fall fashion in today's fix are another big win. Let's kick off with the BIRDIES sneakers as a girl whose #1 goal is comfort. I, for one, am so very grateful that the stylish kicks are totally on trend lately. These feature a fun mix of dusty pinks, perfect for transitioning to the fall season. Fall is all about layers, so I'm glad the PISTOLA jacket caught your eye too. The olive color is classic, while the flower embroidery is a fun twist. XO, Jaryn." So again, my paperwork, my note, all the items that are found in the fix. The other paper that was in the envelope says, "Thanks for letting us style you." You open it up. This is fix number 59, and this not only has the items, but all of the pricing and also the price discount, because if you buy anything in your fix, if you buy all 5 items in your fix, you get an extra 25% off. And I also told you I have that $50 credit, so that will be listed on that sheet. But I really would like to get into this try on, and I am already wearing a couple of the items, including the PISTOLA jacket that she was talking about. So let's dig in. Let's get to the first outfit and discuss. Okay, back with my try on, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm wearing first on top. So on top, I have the Pistola Camilo cargo jacket in the color olive, and you're gonna see the prices going across, but I will tell you, this is in a size small. It is $148. There are 2 items in this fix that are the same price, and this and another item are the same price and tie for the most expensive. So this is the jacket, and she was mentioning it has, you can see it, but it has like these little daisies on it. Also has like buttons here up on the shoulder area. It's got buttons going down on the pockets. It is really cute, and I could definitely see this as a layering option. This is my own white t-shirt from Evereve. The belt was from Evereve, and the jeans, when I pan down, these jeans are studio blue. And I have to look at the other card because it's getting cut off. These are the Rocky Super High Rise Boyfriend Regular Length Jean. They're in a size 26. And these are $64. So these are the jeans. They have quite a bit of distressing here on the leg, the knee. You can see the other. Distressing here in this knee. Distressing up here, like on the thigh area. They're really cute, and they're very, very comfortable, and they fit very nicely. They are high-waisted. That my belly is down here, and they're pretty high, and they suck everything in, so I'm liking that. Not a bad price. Let me see if you can see the full length. I'm sorry, my chair is in the way. Here's the full length. They're cuffed, and I like the cuff. You can uncuff them, but I really like the cuff length. The length of the cuff fits perfectly. These are my own booties. These were from Stitch Fix, another fix earlier in the year. They're by Lucky Brand. And I don't know if you can tell, but they are an animal print. They're a lot of fun, and I thought they'd be perfect for fall ahead with the colors here. This cargo jacket also has pockets, working pockets. You could button. I don't know if I'd button it, but I do like it. It's really cute. Here's the front, here's the back, and it's like frayed at the bottom too. It's distressed and frayed. And the jeans have working pockets in the back, like I said. Pretty high-waisted, fit nicely. They're really a good option for me as far as size, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I need them, but I really do like them. So yeah, I'm kind of debating both items so far. Pricey, but I don't know. You let me know. I have another pair of pants, a sweater, and those sneakers. I think I'm gonna just switch to show you the sneakers with these jeans. Okay, I said I was gonna put those sneakers on. I didn't yet. I wanna show you them close up, and then I'm gonna put them on. So here they are, and I'll tell you exactly what they are in a minute, but they're really cute. Like she said, they're in this like just awesome pink tone colors, and I happen to love the color pink. So it's like a deeper like mauve rose color, and then this light pink, and then it's kind of, I think it's leather, or at least faux leather, like in a beige color back here. And then pink laces. They have white laces, I think, inside. I took the other one out just so I could see. And then just regular sneaker underneath. These are by BIRDIES. These are called the Roadrunner Suede Sneaker in the color pink, size 6.5. These are $140. I've never heard of this brand. If you have, please let me know. Maybe I'm missing something, but they are cute. It's just, I don't know, they're kind of pricey, but I'll try them on for you, so hang on. So I'm back, and as promised, here are their sneakers on with the jeans that I was wearing earlier. They are really cute. I did not lace them because they had the laces like tucked in inside. So I just tried them on the way they had them. For now, I mean, I would most likely lace these, but I don't know. They're cute, but they're just so pricey. And don't get me wrong, I've paid for sneakers. I know 448s are expensive. I've paid for Nikes in the past that were pricey. I just need to know a little bit more about this brand, to be honest. But again, very cute. And that's the sneaker. I mean, you see the backs too. And by the way, there are the white laces, by the way, that I mentioned earlier. So they do come with an extra pair of laces because they're laced in pink. But, you know, anyways. Now, I have one more outfit, and I'm going to switch into that. Okay, I am back, and I have that last outfit on as promised. So the last two items in this fix, and I'm not sure if you can see it. This sweater is in like a beige color, but it has these white stars, like patch stars on it. It's really cute. This is by PISTOLA. This is the Darya Oversized Sweater, color beige, size small, $148. And on bottom, I'll back up so you can see the color, and then we'll discuss the whole outfit in full. And I have the sweater front tucked. But on bottom are the PISTOLA Hannah cargo skinny pants. They're in the color brown, size 2, and these are $98. So I'm gonna back up so we can talk about the sweater. And I don't know what's going on with my light here. I've got full light coming in, streaming in, and just keeps going in and out. So I apologize for that if there's any dark shadows or whatever, because I'm not sure why it's doing that. I have everything set up normal, and it's a bright sunny summer day. I'm wearing a sweater and it's 90 degrees out. Thank God for air conditioning. But let's discuss this outfit. Like I said, I have the sweater front tucked. Here is the full length, not front tucked. So like they said, it's very oversized. It has slits on the side. Here's the front of the sweater. Here's the length in the back. I kind of like it. I mean, it's very comfy, cozy for, you know, cooler weather untucked. But I'll be honest, I think, I'm going to do it again in a second, but you can see these are kind of mid-rise. My belly's over here. But I just wanted you to see, I think front tucked for this sweater works because it gives at least your waist a little bit more shape. But the pants, they're like the cargo style, so it has a zipper here, but there's no pocket. It's just a zipper detail. Pockets, working pockets on both sides. Pockets in the back. They're kind of skinny, and then just a little at the bottom where I'm still wearing my booties, and I just rolled it just slightly so that it didn't hit weird with the booty. But I don't know. It's a very cute outfit. Definitely fall colors, fall fashion. Oh, one more thing with this sweater. Just want you to see, come a little closer. I cuffed the sleeve because really it is very oversized, and here's the length of the sleeve. Like it almost covers my hand, not quite, but enough that I just did a little bit of a cuff. So like if I'm wearing my watch on one wrist and bracelets, like it's not completely covering what I'm wearing. I don't know though, like you've seen everything. We're gonna do a quick wrap up shortly to discuss better and go from there. So hang on and we'll be right back. As promised, I am back for a quick recap, and I'm just still wearing the sweater and the last outfit, to be honest with you, to just try to wrap this up quickly. But I wanted to discuss the pricing. in this fix because I can honestly say this is probably one of the priciest fixes I've gotten in some time. So let me go through. The cheapest item in this fix are the jeans that I tried on first and foremost. These were by Studio Blue. These were the boyfriend jeans. These are $64. I really like these, but help me out because I probably have so many jeans. I have to go through my jeans now heading into the fall to see what I have, but these are a cut that they're boyfriend, they're like cozy, comfortable. I don't know, I'm kind of contemplating because they fit really nicely and they are a good price, even though I do have a drawer full of jeans pretty much. But help me, let me know if I'm off the mark or if I should use my money elsewhere. But that was the cheapest item in the fix. The second cheapest, now back up quickly, were these cargo pants. The Pistola Hannah cargo skinny pants were $98. Then comes $140 for these birdie sneakers. That's the next in price range. And then for a tie is this Pistola sweater and the Pistola cargo jacket, both coming in at $148. So this fix, the stylist picked subtotal for all 5 items, $598. Ouch, that's $600. But remember that bio discount that I mentioned for buying everything, well, 5 items, get $149.50 off. So the new order subtotal would be $448.50. And then I had a credit of $50. So my new order subtotal would be $398.50, which is still a lot. And yet I like everything in this fix. Everything kind of worked for me. But again, I don't know. These are so cute. Would I get $140 worth of use? I don't know. And I didn't really wear them the way they should have been, like tied and everything. So I may have to play around and try these on again after I turn the camera off and see. And the only thing that might hold me back with this cargo jacket, because it is really cute and it would definitely be used, is the fact for the fall that it has like these little sunflowers that are in like white with like the yellow stamen in the middle. I don't know, maybe that's more spring, but the color itself, the base color, is definitely fall, this khaki green color. So you have to let me know, should I think about this or not? Like I said, the jeans, I'm a sucker for a good pair of jeans. My friend Kayla, help me out, because you and I with jeans, if jeans fit, and I always end up wanting to buy them even if I'm not 100% sure I need them, but yeah, they fit really nice. So yeah, I don't know. And that leaves the sweater, which is really cute, but again, don't know if I need these cargo pants, which also fit very nicely. I don't know. Little help to my returning subscribers, please help me out and let me know what you think of this fix. What are the keepers? I'd appreciate that greatly. For those that are not subscribers, hit that subscribe below. I'm sorry, I'm talking too quick. Hit the subscribe button below and join my channel. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say have a magical day and bye.